So what we have here today is a 52-inch Hunter T Rose ceiling fan. This was part of their Pfaltzgraff collection that they offered in the mid to late 90s. It's a 3-speed fan, electrically reversible. This fan in particular dates to 1997. Integrated single light, polished brass blade irons with plastic inserts in them. Blades are off-white to match the finish, and they are reversible to a light oak wood tone. Blade pitch is roughly 12 degrees, and you can see the floral motif this fan has going on, part of the T Rose line, and also the globe. Now I think these were done in collaboration with the Pfaltzgraff decorative dinnerware set collection, and these things came in 4 different variations. Each variation looked just like this. Same hugger design, same motor housing, same blade irons, same blades, same integrated single light. But each form had its own unique finish. And this globe that you see on the T Rose fan is unique only to the T Rose. The other ones had a big mushroom globe similar to what the Vistas used. So yeah, this is the T Rose. You also had the Yorktowne, the Pfaltzgraff, and the Hopscotch. Those are the 4 different forms of these. And the T Rose and the Yorktowne, I think, are the most common of the two. And then the Pfaltzgraff and the Hopscotch are definitely the rarest of the two. I mean, these are a pretty rare fan to begin with, or fairly rare, not pretty rare. They're out there, but not as often as you would think, because these things probably only attracted quite a few different people because of their appearance here. Definitely not my cup of tea, no pun intended. So we'll jump right in and get this thing started. Start here with the light. Got my giant incandescent bulb in there. I thought that would be fitting. This fan uses the same tried and true 172mm motor that every other Hunter of this size had. So we're going to see what she does. Low speed on this fan is pretty average. Pretty quiet with the exception of the bearings. They are quite worn. And that clicking noise, you hear something in the mount. By the way, that Hunter logo there is just a sticker stuck onto the fan. That's the only Hunter logo on the fan. Take it up to medium. And here's high. Performance is pretty good. Doing roughly around 190 RPM here. Decent air mover. Not too bad. And we'll go ahead and let it coast. Yeah, me personally, I've always thought these fans are pretty ugly. I mean, I'm not really much of a floral fan myself, given that, well, I'm a guy. But I can appreciate the uniqueness of these things, and that's why I'm sharing this one with you guys. Definitely be a lot cooler if this was the folk art or the hopscotch variation, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm not sure how long these things are offered in the late 90s, but definitely not very long. I don't think they were quite popular. Now, Pfaltzgraff is still a company today, and they still actually make these same designs that the Hunter family copied off of or that were designed off of. You can get all the designs of these still today from them. Just don't seem the fan line became very popular though. Only probably for enthusiasts of the Pfaltzgraff plateware. So yeah, definitely an interesting fan for sure. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 52-inch off-white and polished brass Hunter Pfaltzgraff Collection T Rose ceiling fan from 1997. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like always, we'll be seeing you next time. Take care. Peace.